Hello, little adventurers! Today we're going to hear the fun and silly story of the silly alligator. Are you ready? Let's go! Every day, the silly alligator loves to make his friends laugh with his funny antics and playful tricks. The silly alligator has many friends in the jungle. He makes funny faces with the monkeys, sings silly songs with the parrots, and jumps around with the frogs. But he has a special talent. Can you guess what it is? The silly alligator can make the best splashes in the river. He loves to dive in and create the biggest splashes, making everyone laugh. One day, the silly alligator saw his friends looking sad because the river was too calm and quiet. So he decided to cheer them up with his super splashes. All the animals were so happy and thankful to the silly alligator. They laughed and played in the water, having the best time ever. To make the day even more fun, the silly alligator led his friends in a water game. They splashed, swam, and had a great time together. From that day on, the silly alligator was known as the funniest and kindest animal in the jungle. He showed everyone that laughter and kindness make the best friends. And so the silly alligator and his friends lived happily ever after, always ready for new adventures and lots of fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.